For this discussion, welcome everyone. For this discussion, I'm going to be looking for you to post 3 to 4 paragraphs. I want you to find an example of a market structure that relates. You're going to relate the market structure to any of the market structures that we've dealt with, looking at the characteristics. You're going to explain how the market structure is going to relate to how you bought and sold the product. In this market structure, you're going to be looking at your initial post and how you develop your answer. I want you to provide examples as a video of your example in terms of monopoly, oligopoly, monopolistically competitive firms. How they can make decisions in markets will be very important. You're also going to be looking at 2 peer responses. And you're going to have your first post that's going to be due by Thursday. And you're going to post this and have your peer responses by Saturday. Make sure with your initial post that you focus on your content development and analysis as well for your efforts.